The new Aveo is our new small car for the European market. The inspiration we took from as designers was very much delivering to that market, to Europe. Europe's the home of hot hatches, very dynamic, very sporty vehicles, small, efficient, but also very energetic and passionate. The designers took that basic European hatch inspiration and created the Aveo as our interpretation of that. And I think we've created a vehicle which delivers into this market, but also the rest of the world will understand that inspiration and react as well, I think. The character of the Aveo is all about power, performance and passion. You can see it in the face, the dual port, which gives the Aveo a family appearance, the family showroom with its own character. Details like the four rounds and the headlamps are all about making the vehicle seem very dynamic, very sport-oriented, which fits the segment, but also gives the Aveo a very distinct character, Chevrolet, but very sporty and dynamic. We also deliver very wide stance. It's low and planted. Everything's about sport and passion. The interior, though, delivers practicality. And if you think about Chevrolet, it has a heritage which is American, which is the performance. It's the performance brand, but it also has to deliver practicality and high value. Customers expect high value from Chevrolets. In fact, what we're delivering though now is almost more than they expect with the product. And so the character of Aveo is surprise and delight, more than the customer has to pay for. We deliver more, and the character of the vehicle is strong, dynamic and sporty with a very practical edge. This segment in Europe, there are so many players, so the trend for us on this vehicle is to make it very distinctive and very different. The brand has to stand out. The Chevrolet is growing in Europe, so it's very important, and the vehicle itself has to be distinctive. The design is the point where you can drive that distinction, and it creates its own character, its own place in the market. So we drove very hard to deliver that. We start with passion, performance, and the dynamics of the vehicle. Great chassis. It delivers performance that you expect from a Chevrolet. From the face of the vehicle, the dual port Chevrolet grille, you'll see it all in all the Chevrolets in all the showrooms. The headlamps, lots of value, lots of detail there. On the rear of the vehicle, we've also got the dual elements in the tail lamps. Again, pieces of jewelry, but very distinctive for Chevrolet. And on the interior, the cockpit has a dual cockpit. Off the instrument panel wraps into the doors, whether it's in surface or whether it's in colour. This is something you'll see in all Chevrolets moving forward. So some very basic things that make a Chevrolet in the showroom, but then all held together with performance and passion and excitement.